Hello students, I am Sumati. I am working in GK Jain School. Today I teach the lesson for 7th standard social science. The lesson name is Population and Settlement. In this lesson, to know the population races and the classification. Second thing, to learn about the different regions. Third thing, to know about the major languages. Then to recognize the classification of settlement. We see classification of races. What is classification of races? The major world human races are Caucasian European, then Negroid African, and then third one is Mongolian Asiatic, and then fourth one is Australoid Australian. Then race. Race is a biological grouping within the human species. Most widely found human types are based on traits such as head shape, nose shape, eye shape and color, skin color, nature, blood, pressure groups, etc. Caucasoid. First races. Fair skin and dark brown eyes. Wavy hair and narrow nose. The Caucasoid are also found in Eurasia. Second race is Negroid. Dark eyes, black skin, black woolly hair, wide nose, long head and thick lips. They are living in different parts of Africa. Third one is Mongolids. Light yellow to brown skin, straight hair, flat face, broad head and medium nose. Such people are found in Asia and Arctic region. Australoid, wild nose, curly hair, dark skin and short in height. They are living in Australia and Asia. Second one is, what is language? Language is a great force of socialization. Language either in the written or oral form in the most common type of communication. Language. Then classification of religion. Religion is classified as follows: universalizing religions, then ethnic religions, and then third one is tribal or traditional religions. Religion means a particular system of faith and worship which brings human being with human society. Universalizing religion, Christianity, Islam and Buddhism. Ethnic religions, Judaism, Hinduism and Japanese Shintoism. Tribal or traditional religions, animism and shamanism and shaman. Then settlement. In this lesson we see the settlement. Settlement is a place where people live and interact through activities such as agriculture, trading and entertainment. Factors influencing rural settlement. Rural settlements are predominantly located near water bodies such as rivers, lakes and springs, where water can be easily available. People choose to settle near fertile land suitable for agriculture along with the provision of other basic needs. Factors influencing rural settlements: nature of topography, local weather conditions, soil and water resources, social organization, and then economic conditions. Now we see the types of rural settlement explained in 3. A rural settlement pattern is a function of relief, climate, water supply and socio-economic factor. It is broadly classified. A rural settlement pattern is a function of patterns such as linear, rectangular, circular, star-like pattern, etc. In a linear settlement, houses are arranged along the either side of a road, railway line, river or canal, the edge of a valley, etc. Example, the Himalayas, the Alps and Rockies mountains. Then second one is the rectangular settlements are almost straight, meeting each other at right angles. Such a settlements are almost straight, meeting each other at right angles. Such a settlement is found in plain areas or intermountain plain. Example, Sutlej river. Then third one is house built around a central area are known as circular pattern of settlements. Such settlement developed around lakes and tanks. Thank you, students.